And hello, so what do we have today? We have a nice GRP, the Cinelog30. How about we unbox it together? Let's do this. Inside the box, here we go. We have the drone neatly set up. So first of all, drone, 3 inches propellers. We have some extra propellers, protections and straps. We have 2 extra protections, 2 plastic protections for the propellers. Last but not least, the OSD control. And the goodie bag with instructions, some stickers, and the details on the drone. And here we go. Sorry. Now, the interesting thing of the Cinelog30 is the weight. Being a 3-inch drone, usually 3-inch drones are over 250 grams. Instead, this one just fits underneath 250 with a 660 mAh battery. And it comes in at 214 grams, which is pretty good. And let's see if it works. When flying my drone, I actually record the videos with the RunCam Thump-Pro if I need them for video editing. However, the signal coming from the Ratel 2 is being recorded by the Cobra X V2 goggles. And in this sequence of videos, I will show a comparison between the RunCam Thump-Pro versus the Ratel output that I'm receiving from the drone. The image received by the Ratel 2 was pretty good, especially in darker conditions like at sunset, where the light wasn't much. The camera was able to deliver a sharp and clear image, which allowed me to fly through obstacles with confidence and enjoy the experience of flying in a sunset. At the first try of the Cinelog30, I actually got in trouble a few times, hitting against tree or branches. The drone was really forgiving, and being a CineWhoop with a really good prop guard, I simply armed the drone again and I was back in the game. After a little bit of practice, I really enjoyed flying the Cinelog30 around the park, and what was really enjoyable was the power and ease of control of the drone, considering it was only a 3-inch propeller drone with a 4S 660mm battery. The power was enough to have fun, to speed up and do some tricks. But now I will let you enjoy some CineWhoop filming that I did during the testing.